Welcome to Home Decorating 101, Tips for Creating a Stylish and Comfortable Space. In this guide, we will provide you with valuable insights on how to transform your home into a truly inviting and aesthetically pleasing haven. When it comes to styling your home, it's important to strike the perfect balance between style and comfort. You want a space that not only looks beautiful, but also feels like a warm embrace when you walk through the door. So let's dive into the tips that will help you achieve just that. Firstly, consider the overall color scheme of your space. Selecting the right colors can greatly impact the mood and ambiance of a room. Opt for a neutral palette as a base, which will provide versatility and allow you to incorporate various accent colors. Lighter shades can make a room feel more spacious and airy, while darker hues can create a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Now let's talk furniture. Remember, comfort is key. Choose pieces that not only look good but also offer comfort and functionality. Consider your personal style and the overall theme of your home. Whether you prefer a modern, rustic, or traditional look, there are countless furniture options available to suit your taste. Next, pay attention to the layout of your space. Good flow and organization are essential for creating a harmonious environment. Be mindful of how you arrange your furniture to maximize both comfort and visual appeal. Create different zones within a room, each serving a specific purpose, such as a cozy reading corner or an entertainment area. Another crucial factor in home decorating is lighting. A well-lit space can instantly uplift the mood and enhance the overall aesthetics. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create layers and add depth to your space. Experiment with different types of lighting fixtures, such as floor lamps, table lamps, and pendant lights, to achieve the desired effect. Don't forget about the little details, accessories, and decor. Items are the finishing touches that bring personality and charm to your space. Consider adding artwork, plants, and decorative objects that reflect your style and interests. These elements add character and create a focal point within a room. Lastly, keep your home clutter-free. A cluttered space can hinder relaxation and create a chaotic atmosphere. Invest in storage solutions that help you keep everything organized and out of sight. By decluttering your space, you allow the beauty of your decor to shine through and create a more stylish and inviting environment. In conclusion, creating a stylish and comfortable living space is all about finding the perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Paying attention to color, furniture, layout, lighting, accessories, and organization will help you achieve the home of your dreams. So get started and let your creativity flow as you transform your house into a haven that not only looks stunning, but also feels like a warm embrace every time you step inside.